In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your brake light switch on your Subaru Forester. It's located underneath your kick panel on the driver's side. Take your negative battery terminal off. Alright, our kick plate is missing on this vehicle, but you need to take down, there's usually a kick plate here. Take that off with a couple of clips. You're looking for your brake light switch, which is right here. You're going to mark the threads with a Sharpie. That's where you need to screw it on to. So I'm just going to color in the threads that are showing, so I know when to stop when I install the new one. Okay, next thing you're going to do is disconnect your wiring harness from the switch. Like that. Put that off to the side for later. Now, we are going to loosen this nut. It's a jam nut, so that's what holds it in. That is a 14mm wrench. And we are going to turn this counterclockwise. So as you are unscrewing this brake light switch, you're going to want to have your hand under the brake pedal bar and hold the nut. And then once it comes out, you're going to take both pieces out. So here's our washer that goes underneath. Notice it has a raised area that fits in and helps lock it in place. So I'm going to place that in there first. So now we're in. It should be easier to hold it. We are going to use our other hand. Make sure that washer is on this side. And I've marked my new switch to know exactly how far down the brake pedal goes before the lights go on. So we're going to screw that in. I'm going to make sure our washer is still lined up where it belongs. Alright, so it looks like we have to do one more turn. And I'm going to loosen my nut one more time. Till I see my markings. And there they are. So once you see that, you're going to lock that the nut down. Snug it up. Connect our connector. When you hear the click, it's connected. Now it's a good time to go check to make sure those lights are working properly. So you're going to need a friend or somebody to stand behind the vehicle, and while you hit the brake pedal, see if your lights go on and off. And now we are going to place our negative terminal back on the battery. Push it down, snug it up. And once that's snugged up, make sure that this is back on the stud that it came off of.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.